In this video in Excel, my objective is not to teach you simple linear regression. Just my objective is to tell you how to implement simple linear regression in Excel. You can see this is the height column and this is the weight column. This is my independent variable, and this is the dependent variables. As you know that in simple linear regression there is only one independent variable and one output variable, mean output variable weight. So these are two variables, so we can now implement the linear regression. Okay, first you need to go to the file, then option. You need to install some tools, add-ons, wait, and this is the analysis tool pack. You must install it. Go check it, it's okay, and then go data and data analysis, simple linear. This is the regression. So first you need input exchange, mean output variable. You have to select dependent variable. So from this one to this one, enter, and then independent variable, and click label, because there are two label. And if you want to residual plot, line fit plot, and this option is by default is selected. You can change it, but I will select this option. It will print output and other sheet. So check it. So these are the two graphs. This is the line fit graph. Wait. Okay. So you can see here all parameters has been calculated. Now you can check it. P value, multiple R square, intercept, height, all of these things has been printed. This is the residual graph, and this is the line fit graph. You can make it bigger, scratch, and now you can fit, apply the trend line here. So this is the line, you can see it. I hope you like this video.